Well, good afternoon. Welcome back to the William fam. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. I was just on the phone with a hubby. I'm in the process of getting myself ready. I'm going to run out. I gotta go get some groceries done. Not that much. I just gotta get a few things because I want to make something for dinner tonight. I have an idea of something that I want to make, so I'm gonna go run out and go do that. And then I just thought about something else that I want to make tomorrow for dinner, but I need some of the stuff, so I gotta run out and do that as well. So I'm about to get ready right now. As you see, I started getting dressed and stuff like that. Got my hair done and a little bit of touch up on the face, but I'm hungry. Like, I am literally hungry. So I think I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna go have some lunch by myself. That's okay. Sometimes you need that by yourself time. So I'm gonna do that. The kids, they're somewhere around in this house. Yeah, so I'm going to end up doing that. So I'm just about to get dressed, and when I finish getting dressed, I will be back. I am all dressed, as you can see. I'm about to head out just now. It's well past the time, so I'm heading out. Everybody seemed to be in their room locked up. Look, like feet just caught up, but I gotta run out and get what I'm getting. I just finished making my grocery list. Well, not really, a little small list. So I just made a small list with a few things that I gotta get on there. Nothing too big. And oh, I think I got a message. Yeah, sorry guys, sending off a message. Oh, actually no, there's one thing I gotta do. There's this new song that I gotta download to my app quickly. Okay. All right. You know what? I could probably do this downstairs. Where is my shoes? I don't even know what shoes I'm going to put on. Oh. I gotta get myself some new pair of white runners. A girl can never go without a nice pair of white runners in her closet. It's a staple in her closet to have. Oh, my nose is so itchy. I literally had to get up and take a Dayquil because the weather is already, seems like it's starting to change, and from the weather starts changing here, like it just feels like I start, oh sorry guys, it feels like I start getting sick, and I could feel it. My nose is getting stuffy at night and I could feel it in my throat. So like I said, this pandemic thing is just like, you know, shit. Dexter. Lord have it mercy. Okay, so girl got her tunes. Let's get here. Okay, let's go. Oh Lord. Oh, it's just me treading the journey today by myself. Can't tell when last this car was moved. It's been a while. It's been a while. Let me open up this garage. Oh boy. I need to get this car cleaned up. Let me put this here. I need to get this car cleaned up as well. You know, from when I said I'm gonna clean it and I have not cleaned it. Oh boy, but it's just been in the garage, but I gotta get it clean before it gets really, really cold outside. And can't get clean. So let me set up my stuff. Okay. What was this out? Did I miss it? The Dexter Dap and Beanie Man songs out?
Seriously.
Ooh.
The girl them sugar them in.
It is. I've been waiting for this song, guys. I make my own party, guys. Always. Oh Lord. The good thing about it, I could be my own hype man. Literally could be my own hype girl. Like literally, you know? But that's always a good thing. So let me drive out of this bad boy. Alright, so I've left and I am on my way. I think I'm gonna go have some lunch first, and then I am going to go and get the groceries done. I gotta stop by my girlfriend. I gotta grab something quickly off of her, so I also gotta get that done. Should I drive this way? Yeah, I guess I could go this way. Yeah, so I guess I'll catch up with y'all later, because right now your girl is grooving to some Dexter Dap and Beanie Man. Yes, and the next song is up is some Dexter and Spice. That's my girl. So definitely, so I'm going to go listen to my tunes, and I guess I'll be back when I buy my wrap. I'll come and talk to y'all for a little bit. Safety precaution as always. Time to run into the store, go get me some food. All right, so I went in, got my food, and out. So same thing I'll be doing when I go to the grocery store, just in and out. I don't want to spend a lot of time in there. Oh Lord. Okay, I'm gonna go park somewhere else and eat, and then I'm going to what happened to that guy's car? And then yeah, I'm gonna go park somewhere else and eat, and then I'm going to head to the grocery store and get what I need to get to make dinner. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'm about to eat. I just got myself some Sprite. When I do drink pop, it's always the when I do drink pop, it's always the lighter pop. I once in a while I'll drink Pepsi, but the Pepsi up here don't taste the same as the Pepsi back home. Total different. So I just usually drink, like I'll drink 7-Up and Sprite. 7-Up, Sprite, ginger ale, orange crush, pink crush. Yeah, I just drink the light juices and stuff. So I got them to cut my wrap in half. So, and that is what I'm about to have. I know, gotta always love when people are like, they're literally like staring at you. And they're like, why is that girl talking to the camera? But that's okay. It's a part of being a YouTuber. The YouTuber life, they don't understand. Oh my goodness. So, well, the Dayquil that I took helped me out so much. So far, so good. Can't complain. So, and there's my wrap, guys. Yes. So good. I think this is it Polish? I don't know. I don't even remember their heritage, but all I know, I love their wrap, and I know the owner. They're very knitted family. I've been going to them for years, from when they had the other store to when they moved. Hello.
Yes, Shani.
So the good thing about these wraps, guys, is that they are so healthy. What I have cucumber, tomato, I have like hot peppers in here, the lettuce, and I guess I forgot the chips that's in here as well, and I have chicken, so chicken breast, these, and then I have like a little bit of garlic, a little bit of hummus, and what else, I got honey mustard, and I have another sauce in here. But these wraps, they are so healthy. I need to find the stuff and try and imitate it and make my own, so I could actually make my own wraps at home instead of buying out, because the amount of money I pay for them, it might as well buy the stuff, like get the ingredient and try and make it at home, and then I could put my own twist on it, you know. But it's still good, but that's okay. I love supporting, you know, good businesses and stuff like that, so definitely enjoy my wrap. But I'm about to go finish this wrap. Carrots I have. Oh, expensive, okay. I need to get myself some beef. Just got a few more other things to get. Let me see if I can get these and then get out of here. Got everything on my list, and I am heading out now. Done and done. Time to get out of here. So I just got back in the car from grocery shopping, and I am all finished in and out. Okay, and I got everything off my list. I made sure I didn't get anything over. Just in and out. All right, so time to go ahead to my girlfriend's very quickly. It's late. I am literally just on my way home. I actually just finished doing one of my girlfriend's hair, so that's what I was doing. We were now out to do other things and got caught up doing other things, but that's okay. So I just did my girlfriend's hair. Now I'm on my way home. We're supposed to go out, take the kids out for some ice cream, but I'm not sure if we're still going to do that. So she says she found a new ice cream place that she wants to take me and the girls them to, because you know Memphis don't like going nowhere. So we're gonna go see if we can go, but it looks like it's about to rain. Yeah, the weather don't look 100, so we're gonna see. So I'm just currently on my way home now, and then yeah, so then that's pretty much it. As you see, I still have the groceries them in the car, but I got everything, all the stuff that needed to be in the fridge was put in the fridge. I just took them with me. Oh, and there goes the rain. So I don't know if the plans are going to work out, so we'll see, but I'll catch in with you guys when I reach in. Change of plans. I just finally reached in, and we were about to go for ice cream, but then it started raining, so we had to switch up plans. But thank God that I had left the meat out and stuff. So Faith cooked dinner tonight. Thank you. Tell you, it's always a blessing when you have a child that can cook, because I was out. I wasn't expecting what I was gonna do was gonna take me so long. So I'm about to dish dinner now. So she cooked, so I'm about to dish dinner, and yeah, see, and then they cook rice. So they cooked rice and they cooked it liver and vegetables and stuff like that, so that is great. So I'm about to just dish dinner so everybody can eat, and I'm just gonna have to make up the ice cream day to them another day. Hubby is home, he's upstairs, so we'll just end up watching a movie for now, and then we're just gonna eat dinner. So we're just gonna eat dinner. I'm just watching a movie till we fall asleep. I'm going to well, we're go shower and stuff like that. So, whoa. All of this. So I'm packing dishes away. Yeah, so I'm about to dish dinner, and then I'm going to go shower, and then we'll probably just watch a movie and yeah, call it a night, guys. I know it wasn't a long vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And don't forget to, oh, I just wanted to say thank you guys for getting us to 2K. Yes, guys. And also we so also I just opened up a new channel, and that channel is called Shann Studio. So you guys can also go, I will put the link in the description below. You guys can also check that channel out. It's just more related to like hair videos, yeah, so hair videos, fashion and makeup, and anything like having to do with beauty. So definitely check out that channel. So there will be no more hair videos and stuff like that on this, because I see that the ratings, I don't get a lot of ratings for those videos, so I won't be putting those on this channel. So I'm gonna do like my hair and makeup and fashion, because I love to do that stuff on a separate channel. So for those that like those type of stuff, you can go on ahead and support and help me get that channel to 1K. So you can go ahead and follow Shann Studio on YouTube, and yeah, you can catch me over there as well. There's already I think 2 to 3 videos already over there as well, so definitely go and check that out. Sorry, I think my eyelash is in my eye, but I am going to close off the vlog here. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and tell a friend to come and join the William family, where it's always a fun vibes over here, guys. So I guess I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
First, I know this is really love, cause baby, I'ma feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? Cause girl, I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.